Hello, Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, December 21st. The Department of Health reported 2 cases over the weekend and is reporting no new cases today. We currently have 6 active cases, all are in isolation, and 1 is hospitalized on Oahu. We have 44 people in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is now 159, including 139 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 19 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. All this week, police and the National Guard have been tracking more than 2,000 people in travel-related quarantine. For additional information on our COVID cases, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. The first shipment of vaccines are now on island, and the Kauai District Health Office with the county and our hospital partners expects to begin offering vaccines to healthcare workers this week. In accordance with federal guidelines, vaccines will be distributed in phases. Healthcare workers and residents and staff of long-term care facilities are the first priority groups to be vaccinated. First responders and prioritized essential workers make up the next phase, followed by those with chronic conditions and kupuna. We expect to receive a limited number of doses initially, then more in the weeks and months to come. We will continue to keep you updated as more information is available. Vaccines are important to helping us achieve herd immunity. While getting vaccinated is completely voluntary, the goal is to vaccinate 70% of our population. It is a massive national effort that is expected to take well into next year. So it remains important that we continue to keep our guard up and diligently wear our masks, maintain our distance, wash our hands often, keep shared surface sanitized, and please avoid large gatherings. Just as vaccines are rolling out, we're receiving word that criminals are taking this opportunity to scam people. The Federal Trade Commission, Department of Homeland Security, and other law enforcement partners are warning about fraud related to COVID-19 vaccines. Here are some red flags that people should watch out for. 1. The Department of Health will not charge anyone or ask for out-of-pocket payments to get the vaccine during this public health emergency. You cannot pay to put your name on a list to get the vaccine or get early access to a vaccine. No one from the Department of Health or a vaccine distribution site will ask for your Social Security number or confidential financial information such as credit cards and/or bank accounts. For more information, please visit the Federal Trade Commission website at ftc.gov/coronavirus. Governor Ige's 17th emergency proclamation reduces the mandatory travel quarantine from 14 days to 10 days. Additionally, the health-directed quarantine for close contacts of positive cases has also been reduced to 10 days. These changes are in accordance with updated CDC guidelines. The incubation period, the time it can take to become sick after being exposed, is still 14 days. After being released from the 10-day quarantine, people can still become ill for up to 4 more days. That means that it is especially important to continue to follow the protocols of wearing masks, maintaining distance, and avoiding groups of people. If you become ill in the 4 days after quarantine, please consult with a healthcare provider to be tested. As a reminder, the CDC continues to recommend against travel as cases are at record levels on the mainland. Travel should be limited to essential needs. If you are a Kauai resident interested in being tested for COVID-19, the Department of Health and County of Kauai is hosting its final community testing event from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. this Sunday, December 27th at the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex in Kapa'a. These tests are available to all residents for free, including those who are uninsured. Please pre-register at kauai.gov/test. Bring your registration confirmation and an ID to the testing site. Test results generally arrive in 3 to 5 days, but if you're experiencing symptoms, do not wait for surge testing. Please call a healthcare provider to get tested as soon as possible. If you receive a positive test notification from any of the community testing programs, please immediately inform the Kauai District Health Office at 241-3387. This year's Toys for Tots campaign generated truckloads of toys for needy children on our island. Our thanks and congratulations to the many volunteers who participated in the program, including Captain Rod Green of the Kauai Police Department, who is the commander of the Marine Corps League on Kauai. Special thanks to volunteers from the Salvation Army, the Kauai Veterans Council, the Lions Club, the Kauai Fire Department, and others from the county, the Department of Health, and the members of the Marine Corps League. The workers at the Kekaha landfill are among several groups that held their own toy drives. This year's Toys for Tots campaign got special help from Ron Wood at FM 97, Ron Wiley at Kong, Pat Victorino at KUAI, and Dennis Fujimoto at the Garden Island newspaper. Mahalo to our media partners. And most of all, thanks to all the Kauai donors who helped give hundreds of local kids a more special Christmas. Free phone counseling is still available for Kauai residents of all ages who may be anxious or feeling overwhelmed. These services are free and confidential and are available until December 28th, Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. There is no shame. This year has been hard for all of us, and we all need support sometimes, myself included. To make an appointment for a phone counseling session, please call Work Life Hawaii at 808-543-8445. Requests made as early as possible will allow adequate time to fulfill your request. Please reach out and call. The county and the two Kauai food banks continue the Kupa'a Kauai food distribution this week. Distributions in Lihue, Kapa'a, and Kilauea will be Tuesday and Thursday, and Koloa, Hanapepe, and Waimea, it will be Wednesday only. Please be sure to register in advance and be sure your email is correct. To register or for distribution times and locations, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the green button that says Food Distribution. In observance of Christmas Day, county offices will be closed on December 25th, along with all refuse transfer stations, the Kekaha landfill, the Kapa'a and Waimea swimming pools, the Wailuo golf course, High Five Bottle Redemption, and Puhi Metals Recycling Center. The Kauai bus will not be operating on the holiday. We will not be producing the Mayor's COVID-19 update on Christmas Day. The schedule for residential refuse pickup will remain unchanged. Normal business hours for county offices and services will resume on Monday, December 28th. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.